As of the press, we have lost 5 lives in 5 days. We have also lost a dozen number of lives in the last few months. Banditry is killing more people, more than malaria, more than COVID, more than HIV combined. All these diseases have been declared as pandemic by our country. We also wish to declare banditry as an act of terrorism.
All health workers in Elgeyo Valley must suspend their work and move to safer grounds. Reason being, we are at risk.
We are urging our colleagues ambayo wako chini kwa vale kwamba their lives should come first.
And these are people who are waking up at night. You don't know whether it is the enemy who is waking you up or it's the people in the community every day. And today, I want to declare here that all health workers in Elgeyo Valley must move out. All the facilities must be closed.
Thoth jopuonj mapuonjo e sikunde